If you're trying to install an app from any other place other than the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store, it will give you this error. Now, if you want to enable installing apps from unknown sources on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Security and Privacy. Now from here, just look for the option of More Security Settings. Then tap on it. Now under More Security Settings, you will find the section of Install Unknown Apps. Now just go to this section, and over here just enable the toggle from where you want to install your app. Now since I'm trying to install an app from Google Chrome, I will enable the toggle for Google Chrome, but from here you can find any other app on your tablet. Now after you enable the toggle for the app from here, then just open the app again and try to install the app again. Now as you can see, the error has disappeared. And this is how you can install apps from unknown sources on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.